Okay, scrapping out this screw hole I found last night. I always like to find these stuff because big massive chunk of aluminium from there to there, big chunk. So let's start off. Let's zoom out. Gonna start off just taking this off. For the small holes. That's aluminium. That's aluminium. That goes there. This should slide off. There. That's aluminium. That comes out. That's aluminium. That there seems like aluminium. Put that to the side for the time being. Steel. Yeah, I take all the steel, all the plastic, everything like that off, which is not aluminium. Because if there's like aluminium, like these stickers here, doesn't matter too much. I don't bother. Same with the grip thing where you stand, like this stuff. That I don't bother with. Maybe try pulling it off, but I'll do that later. Right, that's all done. And I'll just do this. Just need there. You can keep these if they're good. I'll keep this because it's still spins, and it might be good for like making a little box to slide in and out under the workbench. So that's an idea. Put that back in there. I think it's this way. There. Okay. Right. That's steel. Goes there. That's aluminium. That goes there. Aluminium goes there. Then need this off, which I think that's going to be too big. It's too big. I'll use that one. There. Still. Slide out. Yes. Has steel in it, but it's like mostly plastic. I don't bother with. It goes in there. Right. Grip plate. Okay, it's easy to take off. I would say if it's easy to take off, take it off. As you can see, that slides all the way off. There goes in the bin. I have a magnet. All aluminium. That's aluminium. how heavy this is. I always like to find out. I'm going to put this hook just there, you can see. That's over a kilo. Don't know if you can see that. It's over a kilo. So that is like going to be worth 70p or more. Yes, I know I say 70p, but I'd say that's like the lowest. Yeah, nice chunk of aluminium. That goes with my aluminium pole. Right, this small one, I'll take this wall off. Again, I'll keep these walls because I'm going to use them. What for? Don't know yet. Okay. This one. Put that there. Put that on the drill. Sometimes they've got it's the same thing on both sides. This one don't. That comes off. That comes out. Let's put that back. That's still. That goes there. That slides out. That still spins. Kinda. I'll just need like maybe a little bit of oil and that'll be it. Yeah, two nice wheels can be used for something. Yeah, put those two on one side. Right here, if we just do that, that's still, that goes there. Here, all aluminium, definitely all aluminium. So yeah, a nice chunk there, and got all this. All this is aluminium. I'll put that into the aluminium bin. Then all this is steel. Let me just pick that up. And a little amount of steel. The handlebar, what I left on the video, that is all steel. I don't bother with that. I only take the aluminium, the copper, the brass, that type of stuff. If there's like a little bit of steel like that, then I'll take it, put in a bin or bucket or box. When I go to the scrapyard with a whole load of scrap, I'll take that, dump it out, and I might get like maybe a couple pound coins for it, because steel is like 6 to 8p a kilo. But yeah, that's what I'll do. So yeah, nice chunk of aluminium. I like to get here, picked up, always look for it, because it'll add up quick. So yeah, I'll see you on the next video. See you for now.